What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy mrwhaatwaa, and today, man, we got a video called Cute Kitten Listening to the Quran. Whoa, okay. This is going to be unbelievable. Let's get into it. Now, remember, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and join the mrwhaatwaa family. Before we get started, put a like on this video. And remember, if you got a video you want me to react to, get down in the comment section, let me know, and I will get to it. You already know what it is, man. It's your boy mrwhaatwaa. Let's get into this thing. Do you see the way the cat is just kneeling down like I'm hold on, whoa, like she's praying. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. mrwhaatwaa fam, do y'all see what's going on? Oh my gosh. Oh wow. That's how powerful the Quran is. Look at the cat. It's done. Like, just submissive, just submitting himself. The cat is out, but you can see that his eyes are still open. The cat is out. See? Once it stopped, it got back up. Just send chills through my body, you know? Oh my gosh. What? Wow. If you didn't believe, now you have to. Like, what if... Wow. mrwhaatwaa family, see it? Whew. Man, that was real. It's your boy mrwhaatwaa. Get down in the comment section, let me know what you think about this video. Also, if you got a video you want me to react to, get down in the comment section, let me know, and I will get to it. Also, if this is your first time on the channel, before you leave the channel, make sure you subscribe and join the mrwhaatwaa family. We are the littest family on YouTube, and that's a fact. And before you leave the channel, make sure you put a like on this video. Did y'all see the way the cat got down like this? And then as soon as the Quran had paused, it woke back up like that, you know? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's why I was wondering, like, when it comes to, like, even in the Mecca, when you see a whole bunch of cats, like, are cats allowed, or is it just they just ended up there? mrwhaatwaa family, get there in the comment section, let me know, because I really want to know. I really want to know. It's your boy mrwhaatwaa. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Why? Because I post videos every day. Y'all take care and stay safe. What? Yeah.